This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. This video is sponsored by Interplay Learning. Simulation-based step-by-step service testing procedures, beginning to advanced courses available. A fun and entertaining way to advance your skills. Limited time discount. Link and promo code in description below. Morning guys, it is February 18th, 2019. This one here I got a call for a toilet that keeps running. So I gotta go over there, ladies there now, and go over there and see what's going on with it. Maybe it's a flapper or it's a fill valve. Hopefully it's something I got parts in the truck for. It's kind of a ritzy area, so sometimes they got these fancy low boy toilets with special valves, and hopefully, like I said, it's something I got parts for. Keep it simple. If you hear that simple, that saying, keep it simple. This right here, when things break, you got the parts to fix them easily. That's my motto. Keep it simple, stupid. Oh, yeah, keep it simple. Yeah, keep it simple. That's what I say. Yeah, that's what I say. Keep it simple. I didn't mean to call you stupid. That's just a saying, Miss Marley. That's just a saying. Anyway, we'll try to get you some shots when I get there. These are crusty. It's the flapper. I could see it. I have them in the truck. Leaking in the front there. I should have that in the truck. You can see the way the back is on this thing. It's got like a black thing on it. That's the one I need. All you gotta do is slide it in where you want it. And then you turn it. And keep it right in line. Maybe down one. Like that. Try that. Right on that. Once you put that thing, you gotta spin it up. There's two little dogs. That should take care of it. See how it fits better in the front there? Try it now. Good little squirting action happening. That's not the greatest thing to be doing. Part number. I'm gonna have to get another one of them too, Flora. That's what it was for sure. That's what they call a low boy toilet. Put the cover back on, but this was the problem. You see it was leaking by the front. Pretty gnarly. Yeah, so you gotta slide that black shaft in and then turn it up. That's how you gotta do those. How's my best buddy? How's Miss Molly? Huh? Show her. You miss Daddy. Oh, I know you miss Daddy. You love Daddy. You love Daddy.